If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town.
আমি গৈ আছো ডিমৌ আঠাবাৰীলে বাইকেদি
There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see.
আমি পাই গলো ঘৰ এতিয়া ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত সোমামগে আৰু